Hello and welcome back to another episode of Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey and we are going to be exploring the cutting edge of Web3, so without further ado, let's dive in. Our Discord community has hit 3,659 members and counting. If you haven't joined us yet, now is the perfect time to become a part of our ever-expanding community. For our social media posts this week, I am highlighting our new Farcaster 101 series. The first installment is already up, where I delve into the nuts and bolts of Farcaster and why it's a game changer. Make sure to check it out after this video and stay tuned for weekly additions to the series. This week for Powered by Pinata, I am showcasing Pixel Vault. This innovative media company is making waves by leveraging crypto-native assets across various mediums. Pixel Vault stands at the intersection of intellectual property creation and decentralization, pushing the boundaries of how static on-chain assets can generate value for stakeholders and the crypto community at large. Founded in 2021, Pixel Vault is pioneering the nexus of NFTs, decentralized finance, and gaming, setting a new standard for media companies in the crypto space. Right now, as we speak, a few members of the Pinata team are making their presence felt at ETH Denver. ETH Denver is more than just a conference. It's a celebration of the fusion between blockchain technology, culture, and education, set against the backdrop of vibrant Denver, Colorado. This premier event is a beacon for those looking to build the decentralized future. As mentioned, a few members of our team will be there until March 3rd, so if you see them, be sure to say hello and maybe snap a picture. If you've ever wondered how to use the frame development kit to build Farcaster frames, you are in luck. The Farcaster community and our team have been on a creative spree, developing frames at an astonishing rate. Frames are essentially mini apps that integrate seamlessly into the social feeds of Farcaster clients, opening up a new world of possibilities for developers. To help you get started or enhance your frame building skills, we've put together a comprehensive tutorial featuring our very own Magic 8-ball frame. Using the Pinata FDK will guide you through the process of creating this frame with JavaScript, making it an exciting adventure for developers looking to dive into the world of Farcaster frames. And that wraps up this episode of Weekly Whimsy. If anything in this video sparks your curiosity, don't forget to like and subscribe down below and catch future videos weekly. In the meantime, I hope you stay curious and happy pinning. Bye guys!